I was doing satellite jobs for a while where I had to go to do satellite dishes in prison. I went into San Quentin. I go in, it's all empty, and they're like, oh, glad you guys got here a little late. Just missed the riot. We're gonna be on the yard during the riot. Get to like be on the yard with all the guys. You're walking by all the guys, working in the jail cell. We did one, me and my buddy Daryl, and they're like, hey, you can't come in. My first one I went to, I own prison. Suge Knight was in that one, not when I was there. They're like, you can't come in with blue jeans, you have to wear khakis. So like, you can go down to Walmart and buy some khakis, or this guy's like, no, I'll give him this jumpsuit. So they gave us these white jumpsuits, and we're walking around the prison. We're stopping multiple gates. They have to let us through a gate, through a gate, through a gate. Every time we get to a gate, someone's yelling down at him, like, who are you with, who are you with? He's like, I'm with the AV guys, I'm with the AV guys. We get to another gate, he's like, who are you with, sir, who are you with? There's like all these guys throwing up gang signs. At the time, I'm completely bald, like shaved bald. My buddy's all black, he's black. Tattoos, I'm tattoos. His hair's bald, right? So we're both walking together in the white suits. We get into this gate and the guys are like, who are these fucking guys, right? Anyways, we get to this room. We see the room where we're gonna do the job. We're just doing a site survey, we're not even doing the job. All these guys in the yard throwing up gang signs, they're doing all this stuff. Come back out, this guy in the tower's like, who are you with? He's like panicking, starts crying. So we get out. After we get out, he's like, dude, I forgot to tell you that the only people that wear all white jumpers are the administrative segregation, like the guys that are in the hole who did murders. So everybody in the yard was throwing up gang signs to you because they thought you just got out the hole for doing a murder. All right? And so I'm like the skinhead looking dude. And then I'm walking with a black guy I'm not supposed to be. And then all the guards, if you're wearing a white jumpsuit, you have to be shackled. So they're calling saying, why isn't he shackled? Like they're afraid he was gonna.
How did they give that to you?
I don't know, dude. And so then fucking, we make all the way back out. They're like, dude, what the fuck? We could have got like fucking locked up or shot by the.
Like, damn, those guys are fucking hard.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. We was walking on the yard, yeah.
Walking through there,
throwing up gang signs. After that, we knew what to wear and not to wear, but we didn't do too many. I went to Folsom.
Those guys.
Yeah, exactly. It's crazy. We get into there, he's showing us the satellite crap that we got to work on. And he goes, oh, just last week, the female guard here was murdered and killed in this room by like an inmate. He was super nice and he was fucking like a calm guy. And he was like, we gave him like the easiest stuff because they let him go around. He's like, anyways, they killed her in here, right here where you're at. And he's like, here's the equipment. And then we like left the room.
Like, here's the equipment.
Yeah, we're like, what the fuck?